Hey, what's up guys, how's it up here? And today I'm going to be sharing some Instagram tips and tricks with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first hack is called rainbow text, or colorful text as I call it. So all you want to do is just basically take a picture of whatever you want, and if you want to add text, just normally add the text like you would. So write in anything you want, and then you basically want to select the whole thing. And now, okay, not select the whole thing, just select a little bit. And now choose any color you want. It can be anything now, and hold down to that, okay? Hold down to that color. Now you can see that you get all the colors you want. But you're not limited to those colors. So now you get all these colors. Now you want to basically slide this to the left and slide this where you want, or whichever color you want. So just look at it now. There you go. So as you can see, sorry for that, I've got this colorful text and it looks pretty cool. So yeah, you can enhance your Insta stories using this. So yeah, this is the first rainbow hack. So now moving on to the next hack, even that is for enhancing your Insta stories. So basically you want to go onto the stories and add in whichever emoji you want. Now let's say I've taken this punch emoji right here. So now I'm going to be changing the text from classic to neon. There you go. So as you can see, the emoji is now glowing, and I can choose any color I want. Just a second, I can choose the orange color. Let's just select that. There you go. So it now has this orange glow around it. I can choose whatever color I want, and it looks really cool. And the next one is for the times when you really want to post a collage of photos on your Insta story. So on Android, you basically cannot copy and paste photos like you can do on iOS. So what you want to do is basically go into the Play Store and search for this app. It's called Gbox. It's developed by Jay Kapoor. He's a really famous YouTuber. So yeah, just download this app, Gbox, and then you just want to open it. Go here and open it. So this will basically skip this part. So yeah, now you want to hit this part right here and then click next. Enable it in settings. Gboard, enable that. Okay. So yeah, now you basically want to move on to Instagram, and then just take whatever photo you want. And now, okay, let's make this a plain background. Let's say a white background. And now you basically want to move on to the text area. And now change your keyboard to Gbox, sorry. So now you have Gbox, so it's going to ask you to basically allow the Gbox for photos. That's obviously required because you want to be making a photo collage. So let's say I want to make a collage, and I take this photo right here. I can move it around, put it there. And then I want some other photos, so I can take this. Okay, that's the same thing. So yeah, you get the point, right? You can basically make the collage of whatever photo you want. And I guess you should be able to, well, let's go to the text area again. Yeah, so you can add how many ever photos you want and make a pretty collage out of this. And this is a really really cool feature because it's never been this easy. Before you had to like take screenshots. So now it's as simple as this. So the next hack is related to privacy. So you might have, if you're a really famous person, you might have many people who have tagged you in random posts, and you don't want to be seen like that. I mean, you don't want those posts to be seen on your Insta account. So what you want to do is basically go on to settings right here, and then move on to privacy and security, and then touch this option right here, photos and videos of you. And then you get two options, add automatically. This is on by default. So add automatically basically just adds all the photos automatically. Obviously, if someone tags you, it just directly adds it on your Instagram. You can turn it off if you want. And there's another option which says hide photos and videos. So now if you have photos and videos of you, and like people have tagged you in, so you can basically select them and move them out of your Insta account if you don't want them there. So this next little hack is for those times when you really want to zoom into someone's profile pic because you cannot see their face. But right now I can easily see his face, but for those times when you cannot see their face, so you basically want to move on to settings and then type in not use this keyboard, triple tap to zoom. Yeah, so triple tap to magnify. Basically this is the feature, and now you want to turn it on, and then you can move on to Insta. So here, let's say I cannot see that photo properly, so I can just tap thrice and see the photo zooms in pretty much, like it zooms in a lot. So the normal gestures still work. I can like pull down the notification bar. Yeah, so it's basically zoomed in, and triple tap again to return to the normal state. You can do that anywhere you want. So this is pretty visible. So you get the idea, right? Yeah, these are all the companies, man. Okay, so that was it. That's how you basically you can actually zoom into anyone's profile photo you want, or you can zoom in anywhere basically. I can zoom into my own photo. There you go. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Let's move on to the next one. So with this next hack, the photos you add on Instagram will be slightly crispier. So let me show you what to do. So as you know, Instagram basically crops your photos when you post them online. So you basically want to grab whatever the photo you want. Like, let's say I want to post this. Now basically edit the photo. Not edit in. Okay, fine. You basically edit the photo. Sorry for that. And now you want to move on to crop. And you want to crop it to 16:9 ratio. That. So this basically crops the photo beforehand, before Insta basically crops your photo. So you basically give Insta the cropped photo, so it does not have to crop it itself and degrade the quality of the photo. So this is how you do it. If you apply this trick before posting a story, it can actually give you a better looking story.